These waters were woven into the culture of Native American tribes. The descendants of early Europeans built a business here based on agriculture. And today, this unique destination in the central Ohio countryside comes to life with stories and memories centuries old. The Fairfield County Park District invites you to amazing Rock Mill, above the falls of the Hocking River gorge. Here, together, nature and man have created some truly American stories that you'll want to experience with the entire family. Visit us or learn more about Rock Mill and the largest wooden water wheel in the nation at fairfieldcountyparks.org.